Your serial infrastructure still works. That's not the problem. The problem is everything around it. ConnectPort TS and Port Server TS were built for another era. No secure boot, no centralized management, no included support. DigiConnect EZ-TS is the next generation of ConnectPort TS and Port Server TS. Same footprint, same cables, same real port. Everything else, completely modernized. Unplug the old, plug in the new. Done. Don't wait for a security incident to force your upgrade. DigiConnect EZ-TS 4 and 8 update to modern serial infrastructure in minutes.